How to use freelancers.com. How to earn money at freelancers.com. Freelancers.com is a marketplace of ideas, skills, and talents where anyone can work on what they love. The website has been up and running for about 6 years now, and it has launched many products and features to help both employers and freelancers get work done. Because of the platform's vastness, it may seem too daunting for a newbie. In this short guide, we'll discuss the process involved in working and earning at freelancers.com. Step 1. Determine what you are good at. Commit to a life of freelancing and sign up for a freelancer.com account. Signing up and working at freelancer.com is absolutely free, but we also have membership upgrade that will greatly help you to earn more, such as getting more bids per month and the list of skills. Certain projects require your profile to reflect certain skills, so the more you have listed, the more opportunity you get. Head to this page to see what's on offer. Step 2. Set up your profile. We can't stress the need of for a complete and presentable profile enough. It showcases your personality, resume, portfolio, and skills all rolled into one. It also an important tool for persuasion. An employer may completely base his judgment on whether to hire you or not by how well you present yourself. Get tips here. Find projects and start bidding. Step 3. Earning money at freelancer.com actually begins here. Hundreds of projects and concepts in different categories are posted each day. Find the ones you want to work on by regularly checking the jobs and contest pages. In the jobs page, you will see suitable projects open for a bidding for contests. You simply submit an entry. There are over 750 work categories in the job page, from web development and writing to marketing and accounting. Currently, a job that matches your skill is listed here. Before placing your bid, make sure to write a compelling reason why the employer should pick you over everyone else. Not sure how the bidding process works? No problem. We have a step-by-step bidding guide here. Step 4. Work. This might be the hardest but more rewarding step before starting work. Make sure that both you and the employer are aligned in terms of project scope, deadlines, and milestone payment. So there will be no issue along the way. You may want to have a signed agreement in place to seal the deal. All must be clear between you and employer before you jump the gun. You may be too excited to start work, but keep calm and focus. Once the job is awarded, make sure you impress your employer by being consistent. And when it comes to timeline, budget, and communication, use the built-in chat box to converse easier, or better yet, install our mobile app so you can keep your employer updated wherever you are. Step 5. Get paid and earn 5-star feedback. Once you get paid, you can withdraw your money via PayPal, wire transfer, money bookers, or your nominated local bank account. Our works through our express withdrawal system. Also, always aim for 5-star feedback. The accumulation of great quality feedback is a great addition to your portfolio. To keep earning money on freelancer.com, rinse and repeat steps 3 to 5. If you have any question, check our FAQ or comment below. I want to hire a freelancer. The possibilities are endless. We have expert freelancers who work in every technical, professional, and creative field imaginable. Get anything done exactly how you want to turn that spark of an idea into reality. Any sized project. Get any job done from small one of tasks to a large multi-stage product. Flexible payment terms. Pay your freelancers a fixed price or by the hour, all secured by the milestone payment system. Diverse talent. Choose from expert freelancers in over 1800 skill sets from all around the globe. How does it work? Step 1. Simply post a project or contest for what you need done and receive competitive bids or from freelancers within minutes. Step 2, choose the perfect freelancer. Browse freelancers' profile, chat in real time, compare proposals, and select the best one. Award your project and your freelancer start work. Step 3, pay when you are satisfied. Pay securely using your milestone payment system. Release payment when it has been completed and you are 100% satisfied. Be in control, keep in contact, use our collaboration tools to work efficiently with your freelancers, share files, chat in real time, monitor progress, and so much more. Live chat, you can live chat with your freelancer to ask questions, share feedback, and get constant updates on the progress of your work. Mobile app, manage your project at the touch of your fingertips. The mobile app makes on the go collaboration a breeze. Safe and secure, freelancer.com is a community that values your trust and safety as our number one priority. Our representatives are available 24/7 to assist you with any issues. Pay with confidence. Pay safely and securely in over 34 currencies through the milestone payment system. Only release payment when you are satisfied with the work. 24/7 support. We are always here to help. Our representatives are available 24 to assist you with any issues. Still not convinced? Check out the results. Here are just some of the things you could get done on freelancers.com. For more completed projects, visit our project showcase. Logo design, label design, mobile design, package design, interior design, web design. How to start working as a freelancer at Freelancer. Previously, we explained how to start freelancing on Upwork. In this article, we are going to explain the same concept for freelancer.com. These sites, along with Upwork, are the most popular platform that allow you to find some of the best independent freelance opportunities available. About freelancer.com. Step 2, create your account, create your profile, find projects. Step 5, how to bid. Step 6, advice when starting a freelancer website. Step 7, how to structure the account to get more clients. Step 8, how to work on freelancer website. Step 9, freelancer payment methods. How to delete account on freelancer. About freelancer.com. Just like Upwork, it is a platform that has skill, talents, and ideas which bring clients looking at to hire individuals together with job seekers. Freelancer.com has been in operation for almost 6 years. Over the years, many changes and improvements have been made on the site to improve user experience. The manner in which the website is set up is likely to discourage new users from using its services. This guide is perfect for newbies that are eager to start earning on freelancer.com. Before creating an account, you may want to select the right niche that matches your interests.